All right, hello. I'm going to help you to create a Windows 8, installation. I have the image here already. Assume that I have just download from here, but I have an older version, which if you can, you can go for 90 days. So when you sign in, they will send you the registration for 90 days. You will have a key. You will need a key to go for 90 days, okay, to get your legitimate. And they will give you the enterprise. So the enterprise, the version that have everything, network, VPN, all of those feature. Okay, so assume I have my virtual machine, my image have been downloaded here, but that's the old version, right? And this image is called 64 bits. Okay, so I'm start with my VM machine, and you can find this application in all of this lab here, or you can install at home. But if you have Mac, then you might need to get your Fusion or the similar or relevant software for your Mac OS. Okay, to start with, click on Home and then go for Create a Virtual Machine. I normally tick the option to start with, and then I can do modification later. And then here, I will install later. Click Next, Window, and then I'm going for Windows 8. And should be there is no Windows 8 here. Windows 7. So I choose something that 64 bits. This is the old. This will be an old. I do just simulation only, right? Because I believe my version is old. Let me check what my version. Oh, my one very old. Your one should be version 6, right? Your one should be version 6. That's the latest one. Okay, let's do that version. I'm select Windows 8. They don't have it, so I select Windows 7 64, right? And then go next. Okay, so I put in here is Windows 8 64 to change the name only, and the location. Be careful. Do not don't ever put into that folder, because this is your login profile. It will take you forever if you put in that folder. All right, so you better reorganize at beginning. So what I'm going to do, I put into my computer C drive, and then virtual machine. Okay, and then you make sure you make a new name called Win 8. Is that all right? I want just that. So I done. I repeat again. For this lab, if you do an L lab or even do at home, this folder, it had to be somewhere. Okay, not on your home login profile. It takes forever. I'm going next, and then Windows 8. I'm not sure, but I believe my hard drive it got fair bit, right? So I check how much my hard drive got left. My hard drive got 400 something gig left. So I just use 60 gig. Is that all right? It's reasonable, yeah? So use 60 gigs, and then if you want to have a single file. Can you imagine there is a file with 60 gig? So is that good practice? So better not, right? The reason sometimes you copy to external hard drive, and what if this is corrupt? So your whole operating system is really gone for sure. And if you copy into the external resource or copy over the network, it takes forever for one single file for 60 gig. So the chance get corrupt is really high. Therefore, divide them. So if you do divide here, they're going to approximately 2 gigabytes per file. So 60 gig, assume it occupies that much, you just chop it up. So 2 gig, 2 gig, 2 gig on the way. And I will show you that divide later on. Here, reduce the performance for last file, yeah? That's all right, I'm finishing here. Now, the next step, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to do customize, all right? Click on virtual machine. What I'm going to do now is I may add RAM or reduce the amount of RAM, depend how much RAM I got left. So at the moment, I got how much I got left? I available for 1.6 gigabyte left, right? So I use 1 gig will be all right. Yeah. So there is some spare left. And what about CPU? At the moment, this machine has 1, 2, 3, 4 CPU, right? I'm going to use 2 CPU. Is that okay? Don't use all of them, right? So I use 2 CPU. Again, click on file here. CPU, I'm going to use 2, okay? And RAM, I leave what it is. Is that alright? I'll leave what it is. It depends how much RAM you got in your computer. And I use net, that's alright. If you want to use bridge, then your guest OS will have individual IP address. But if you have net, then no one able to see you on the network, but you can see people, alright? And they're sharing the host network configuration. Printer, I don't think I ever need printer, I just remove them. Alright, that's it. USB, yes, I need USB. Floppy disk, I don't think I need them, I just take them off. See, anything you don't need, just take them off, or you can add them on if you want to. But I'm not administrator, unfortunately. Okay, you can add whatever there you want to. Okay, now CD-ROM. I don't have any CD-ROM with me because I'm not going to burn. Normally install, you have to burn this one into the DVD, yeah? Because that's a 3.5. But I don't install from DVD. So I install directly from the image. Here, image. ISO image. Then I get where's my image. My image will be in here. That's my image, yeah? That's my CD-ROM actually. That's CD-ROM, yeah? And open them. And then that's it, pretty much. So I have, and if you want to change your location, you see that? And if you miss out your working directory, you can go there, modify them again if you want to. It's still not yet ending. Alright, if you miss out, oh, I forgot to put into my home profile, then now you can modify them again. Modify, put whatever you want. But don't put on USB because it takes you maybe half the day to install directly to USB. Okay? I'm done. So next one, click OK and click Run, yeah? So now my virtual machine up and run right away. So now put in the window 8. So from now on, all you got to do is follow the instruction, right? I only help you for create the image only. And from now on, you just follow the instruction of Windows 8. Is that alright? Or you want me carry on the way to install Windows 8? It would take forever. So that's a Windows 8 installation. You do by yourself. Yeah? Yes, people? So from here on, you just follow the instruction, install now, and follow that instruction, and it will be ending the Windows 8. So that have to install Windows 8. Alright, people? And before I go, I just want to share you the Windows 8. Where's my image now? Here, right? And Windows 8. There we go. At the moment, it's only 32 kilobytes. But when they finish, they will up to maximum. The disk here, virtual disk here, they will go for 2 gig maximum, and all of that will fill up if they're going to use all of that. See, 64 bits, 64 gig. So 60 gig divided by 2 gig, so there are 30 image. Make sense? That's how the disk arranged if you do a multiple. Okay, so I'll leave it there for you, and then they start to fill up. That's the memory, their virtual memory. They started up now. Alright, so that's done for me. So I just click go, and then the same thing in another operating system. Alright, people, best of luck. Bye for now.